Love coming from New Zealand. We love you. Sending love from all New Zealand. Hi, my name is Lydia and I'm from Pakistan.
Namaste. I'm Nanda from Namaste and I'm a huge fan of yours. You inspire me each amazing day. Always keep doing what you are doing. Lots and lots of love for me. Bye.
Namaste, I'm Eva from Northeast India. Randy, I'm a huge fan of yours. You inspire me with your amazing work. Thank you for always inspiring me.
Hi Robin, this is Anya Amagna and I am a fan from Surabaya, Indonesia. Aku cinta kamu.
Hi Rab, I just want to take this moment to tell you how proud I am of you. Watching you grow and become the person you are today has been one of the greatest joy of my life. Life is full of challenges, and sometimes things may not go as planned. But always remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Never be afraid to make mistakes because these are part of learning. No matter what happens, I will always be here to support and love you. You are never alone. I want you to follow your dreams, work hard, and believe in yourself. You have so much potential and I know you can achieve great things. Keep a kind heart, treat people with respect, always keep your feet on the ground. Never forget the people who have been with you and supported you, who has helped you to reach your goals, and always stay true to yourself. Remember to put God first in everything that you do. Life is a journey and I hope you enjoy every step of it. Take care of yourself, be patient, never stop learning, no matter how far you go and how busy life gets. Remember that you have a family that deeply loves you. Love you, Rab.
Hi Kuya Rab, congratulations, more projects to come. We love you.
I love you, Tita. So I just want to say congratulations and have achievements and love you. You deserve all of it. So always be love, always stay humble, love your family. Okay? So nothing is different. You deserve it, and we are so proud of you. We love you.
Hi Rab, this is Julia. I am one of your supporters and it brings me so much joy na makita ka unti-unti mo lang na-achieve yung mga goals and dreams mo sa life. I know that this is just only the beginning and alam ko na marami ka pang future projects. Just just always remain humble, and we are here to support you all throughout the way. See you soon, and God bless you!
Congrats to you on your role as Yuri and Luna session. More particulars and progress soon. See you soon, Kuya.
Hi, Rob! Hi, Rob! Nagkakilihan! Congrats! Ang message for me is, always focus on your dreams and always look forward.
Hello, Rob! Kumusta na? Congrats sa
teleserye nyo. Sikat na sikat ka na. Pati dito, sikat ka. Marami ka ng tagahanga. Laging mag-ingat. Huwag lalaki ang ulo. Mahal ka namin. Mahalin mo yung trabaho mo. Eh si Lolo. Lolo.
Malayo pa pero malayo na.
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Malayo pa pero malayo na. Still far, but you already come so far.
Hi Robin, happy fan hearts. You're still far, but you've already come so far, and we're so proud of you. We love you.
Take two.
Congratulations, Kira. Love you.
Take three.
Congratulations,
Isa lang naman lagi yung sinasabi. Salamat sa inyo. Sobrang. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Love na love ko kayo. Patuloy ko lang gagawin yung para sa inyo lahat. Yung para sa mami ko. Yung family ko. Love you guys.